welcome back to my channel. Now today we'll be looking at a little component that's behind a lot of automatic lighting we see in our daily lives. Now it is called a photocell, and it is a key player in modern technology. Now let's take a closer look. So first we want to look at what exactly is a photocell. So a photocell is also known as a light dependent resistor, or otherwise called a LDR. And so this photocell is a type of sensor that reacts to light. Essentially, it changes its resistance based on the amount of light it is exposed to. Now, when light hits the photocell, its resistance decreases, which allows more current to pass through. And this generally happens in darker conditions. Now, the resistance increases, restricting the flow of electricity. Now, the simple change in resistance is what makes photocell incredibly useful in all sorts of applications. So, from turning on your garden lights at dusk to adjusting the brightness on your smartphone screen. Now, what are the purposes of a photocell? So the primary purpose, as said before, is to detect changes in light levels and use that information to control other devices. So, for example, they are using street lights to automatically turn on when it gets dark and off when it lights again. Just thought initially that there was someone who would go around and turn the lights on during the night and then turn them off in the morning. No, a photocell is what is responsible for that action or those actions. So the photocells are also found in cameras as part of a light meter system, and this helps to adjust exposure settings. They are even used in alarm systems where breaking a beam of light can trigger an alert. So because a photocell can accurately detect changes in ambient temperature, they are perfect for any project or device that needs to respond to varying light conditions. They are simply yet powerful components that make our lives more convenient and efficient. Well, now that you know what a photocell is and how it works, you can see just how versatile this little sensor can be. So whether you're working on a DIY project or just curious about how your gadgets function, understanding photocell is a great step forward. Now stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll show you how to build a simple activated circuit using a photocell. Now don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and to subscribe for more electronics tutorials.